What I'm gonna be doing today is showing you how to flush a water heater. Let's get into it. Trevor here is gonna go ahead and do the flush for us. So to start a water heater flush, main thing, you need a water hose. So basically what Trevor did is got the water hose and connected straight to here. So a lot of customers, what they do is they get confused with draining the water heater and flushing the water heater. Draining is usually when we replace it. Flushing is what you want because you want the pressure to push down and flush everything out. You would not be touching this valve here. A lot of people think this is draining it if you turn it off. So you won't be touching that, nothing up here. Your main focus is just right here. So you get a flathead right there and you can open it up. This water heater is brand new. A lot of times if you want, you always look at the manufacture date. And as you see, this is a new water heater, May 24. So it's a brand new water heater. So this doesn't have a water softener. So we're about to see if it has hard water or not. And y'all get to see that. So you don't need a bucket, definitely don't need a bucket. So the reason why we have a bucket is because we're trying to see the debris that's coming out of it. Like I showed you earlier that the water heater was manufactured in May. And so we're just making sure that if there's any kind of hard water in it, especially that there is no water softener here. So we're just using a bucket just to go ahead and just see what we get out of this water heater that's brand new. So right here is the hard water itself. Kind of looks like sand. And so what happens over time, calcium starts to build up. And it starts off as little flakes. And as it hits down to the bottom of the tank itself, it builds up when the heat actually binds it together, so then it becomes a rock. And it starts getting bigger and bigger over time. So not doing the flush causes that rock to get bigger in your water heater. That's why there's sometimes you hear rattling and rumbling. Well, that's calcium in your actual water heater. And it's just that rock's getting bigger. And so this is basically the particles that you see. And there's actually a better picture of the calcium sitting just right there on the edge of that. And this is a brand new water heater. It already has calcium. So after it's been flushed, basically what I like to tell customers, we like to flush it enough to where it's clear and then running clear for about 5 to 10 minutes. So once it starts running clear for 5 to 10 minutes, get your handy dandy tool here and then go ahead and just shut it off. It can only go 2 ways, so it's good there. So we're gonna show you opening and closing it. Simple again, opening it and closing it. And that's how I just shut it off. Then from there, very simple, just go ahead and unscrew it just like how you would on your outside hose bib. They're exactly the same. And that's how you flush a water heater. Thank you guys.